How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I'm going to talk about how to get wide shoulders and a chest. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. Please follow me on Instagram, DylanBurke999. So for a big chest, if you want to get a wide chest, thick chest, the exercises that I always did was always just the basic exercises, but progressively overloading on them. So you can get a huge chest doing barbell bench, doing incline barbell bench, doing incline dumbbell bench, doing flat dumbbell bench. My three main exercises for my chest were flat barbell bench, incline dumbbell bench, and incline dumbbell flies. Those were my three main exercises. And I would sometimes, every 8 weeks, I would switch it up. So every 2 months, I would switch it up. I would do, instead of flat barbell, I would do incline barbell. Instead of incline dumbbell, I would do flat dumbbell. And instead of incline flies, I would do flat dumbbell flies. Those were my three main exercises. I did train at home too for like 10 out of 13 years of my training. So I didn't have access to all these fancy chest machines. Like I didn't have access to a chest press or cable flies or anything like that. So I really couldn't do those exercises. If I had access to them, then maybe that might have changed my training a little bit. But just doing the big basic compound movements, the dumbbell benches, the barbell benches, that has grown my chest extremely big. As for shoulders, same thing for my shoulders. I've done lots of military pressing, lots of seated barbell presses, lots of seated dumbbell presses, lots of side dumbbell raises, lots of wide grip upright rows. All of them have really built my shoulders. My chest and my shoulders are one of my best muscle groups on my body. That and my biceps. My biceps are insane, which kind of sucks because I have good triceps. It's just my biceps are so strong, they overpower my arm. But I mean, it's not a bad thing to have. I like having big biceps. So yeah, that's what, personally, I would focus on compound movements. That's what's gonna grow your shoulders, your triceps, your chest really fast. Because you think about it, you do a barbell bench, your barbell bench is training your chest, training your shoulders, training your triceps. So it hits everything all at once. And it's compound. You're hitting everything and you're doing it intensely and you're using a lot of weight. Barbell bench, you can do way more on the barbell bench than you can doing cable flies. So end of video. Thank you so much for watching.